One of the challenges that we face when we are trying to draw a symmetrical shape like this heart shape here is when we are trying to draw both sides to look the same. So for example, if I'm trying to draw this heart shape using pen tool, it's always quite challenging trying to get both sides to look very similar or even close. And if you send this heart shape to your loved one, they will be very, very disappointed. So let's not use this. So let's use a better method to create a heart shape that your loved one deserves, okay? And over here, I have drawn half of the heart shape. And before we do anything and try to mirror the other side, first we have to make sure that this and this point, they are both aligned together. So to make sure that both are aligned together, you have to use the Smart Guide. As you can see here, the pink color lines. And to turn this on, you need to go to View and make sure you turn on Smart Guides. Smart Guides are used to help us visualize the position or the alignment of our shape or paths. So Smart Guides is a very useful tool, a very useful option in Illustrator. So I would normally just take this and keep it on. So back to our shape. So what I want to do now is to duplicate another shape and reflect it over. And to do that, I will use the Reflect tool, which can be found over here. Press O for Reflect tool. If you don't see this here, that means it's hidden inside of Rotate tool. So press O for Reflect tool. Let's zoom in and left click on the symmetrical plane. So this is the center of the reflection plane. I will left click on this point, and then I will hold down left click. And right now it will reflect this shape to the other side. So to duplicate a shape quickly, hold down alternate, and you can see it will create a duplicate. And then I will hold down shift to snap and lock the position, just like this, and then I'll let go my mouse click. And now we have duplicate the other side of the heart shape perfectly. And we're not done yet. We now have to make sure that both the heart shape is combined into a single path. And to do that, I'll press A for the white arrow, and then I'll hold down left click and highlight both the paths, and I'll press Ctrl or Command J to join both the paths as one single path. And I'll repeat again for the bottom part here. Press A for the white arrow, highlight both the paths, press Ctrl or Command J. And now I have one single path of my heart shape. Another way to reflect this shape here is to simply select this shape using the black arrow, right click, transform, and reflect. So just create a copy, select the proper angle or the horizontal vertical axis, press copy, and now I can hold down left click, hold down shift so that this will snap accordingly, and then place them together and we'll do the same thing. Press Ctrl or Command J, Ctrl or Command J. And there we have it, a perfect heart shape.